Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine. Okay, good. Yesterday we completed our poem Mice and today we are going to start with activity time. In this lesson what we are going to do, there are some words given in the flower and those words we are going to arrange in alphabetical order. Okay. So how it is given, if this is a flower, this is a flower, okay. Now here some words are given. Mother, right? Some other words are hen, garden, peacock, boy, boy, dog, dog, zebra, x, clock, 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 king, king, temple, queen, school, balloon, and father. These are some words given, and what we have to do now, these all words are not arranged properly, correct or not? They are not arranged in alphabetical order. Now alphabetical order means what? The words which starts in the sequence from A to Z, correct? First letter will be of which word? It will be of A letter, correct? A. The second will be of B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now here it is given in the book. Numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we will start, okay. Now first one, which word will come first? The word which starts with A letter. Where is that word which starts with A letter? Here it is. So our first word will be X. Second, is there any word which starts with B letter? Yes, B letter. What is that word? Balloon. So BALLON, balloon. Which word starts with C letter? Is there any C letter word? Yes, here it is. So which is that word? It is clock, CLOCK, clock. Which is the word which starts with D letter? Sorry, there are two words which starts with B letter. Here boy is also there and balloon is there. So balloon will come first and then after BA is there, here after BO is there, so balloon will come first and here BO is there, so third word will be our boy, BOY, boy. Here it is, okay. Fourth is the word which starts with C is clock, CLOCK, clock. Is there any another word with C? No. Now next word, which after C which letter comes in according to alphabetical order? After C it is D, correct? So which word starts with D letter? DOG, dog. DOG, dog. After D is which alphabetical letter? A, B, C, D, E. From E any word is there? No. E. After E what is there? E, F. From F it is there, yes, father. So our sixth word will be father, FATHER, father. E, F, G. Now from G, garden. Is there any word which starts with G letter? No. So seventh word will be garden. Which word will be after garden? Come on, tell fast. A B C D E F G H. H. Hen. 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 Next one. E F G H I no. J no. K yes. From K one word is there, that is king. So ninth word is King. King. Which after K what will come? K, J, K, L. L, from L any word is there? No. M, yes, from M mother word is there. So what is our 10th word? Mother. L, M, N. L, M, N, N, no. M, N, O, from O any word is there? O, no. After O what is there? After O is P. From P any word is there? Yes, here it is, peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. 12th word, P-Q. After P which letter comes? Q. So Q, queen. P-Q-R. From R there is no word. P-Q-R-S. Yes, from S one word is there. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. After S which word is there? Which letter is there? S-T-U-V. S-T. T. Which word is from T letter? Temple. And the last one which is left is, total how many are there? 15. Last one which is left is Z. And which word is from Z letter? Zebra. In this way, A, B, B, C, D, F, G, H, K, M, P, Q, S, T, Z. These are the words which are arranged in alphabetical order. What is your homework for today? Have you understood how to arrange words in alphabetical order? त्याचं पहिलं लेटर बघायचं आणि alphabetical order कशी असती? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. It is what correct alphabetical order of words. Understood? And then in this way you have to write down answers in your textbook as well as in your notebook. टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये पण आन्सर्स लिहून काढायचे आणि लेसनचं नाव लिहून काढायचं नोटबुक मध्ये आणि पिक्चर काढायचं. You have to draw this picture, okay, and then downside of this picture if you have place, write down words in alphabetical order. Okay, one question is given in the book. तो क्वेश्चन पण लिहून काढायचा जो बुक मध्ये दिलेला आहे. सेम तसं नोटबुक मध्ये पण लिहून काढायचे. Okay, that is your homework for today. Okay, this much is enough I think so for today. We have completed our activity time lesson. Let's play it is. Now actually we are not there in the school, otherwise I would have given we would have done one card of one word. X one word, then one child will hold card of clock, one child will hold a card of king, peacock, dog, boy. But as we are not together, you have to just understand how to arrange words in alphabetical order. Okay, thank you. We will meet next week on Thursday with new lesson. Okay, thank you.